2 minus y1 3 by 2 minus 4 का square. So that will be, simplify this, that will be square root of half minus minus 3, half plus 3 का square plus 3 by 2 minus 4, 4 upon 1, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 upon 2 का square. So that it will be half, 3 I will write 3 upon 1, 1 plus 2 3s are 6, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 का square plus minus 5 by 2 का square. So 7 का square 49, 49 by 4, 49 by 4. So 49 by 4 plus number is negative or positive, its square is always positive. 5 का square 25 by 4, 49 plus 25, 49 plus 25, correct? Clear? So that is root 74 by 4, 74 by 4. So that is root 74 upon root 4. Root 4 I can write 2. So root 74 upon 2. Root 74 upon 2. Unit. We write length of median is root 74 upon 2 unit. So median we have found by using length of the median by using distance formula. Another type of question we will see. Y-axis, x-axis, then this is origin O, there is a line AB, AB, P is a point, P is a midpoint, P4 comma 3, P4 comma 3 is midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. Is it clear? P is a midpoint. Find the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. So now where is point A? Point A is on x-axis. If the point lies on x-axis, then its y or second coordinate should be 0. So first coordinate x, second coordinate 0, x comma 0. B is a point on y-axis, so its first coordinate should be 0, 0 comma second coordinate y. So A is x comma 0 and B is 0 comma y. But what is given? It is given that P is a midpoint of AB, means PA is equal to PB. Now P is given midpoint. P is given midpoint. So we apply midpoint formula. So first coordinate of P 4 is equal to first coordinate of this plus first coordinate of this. 0 plus x divided by 2. So 4 is equal to x divided by 2. 8 is equal to x. X is 8. Similarly, second coordinate of P 3. So I will consider second coordinate of both the point. So 3 is equal to y plus 0 upon 2. 3 is equal to y by 2. 3 2s are 6 is equal to y. So we write A coordinate is x comma 0, x comma 0, x is 8 comma 0 is A and B is 0 comma y is 6, 0 comma 6. So A is 8 comma 0, B is 0 comma 6. Yes, clear? Followed? Okay. Now let us consider new type of problem. Each type of problem we are covering. Next. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC. Then coordinates of A minus 5 comma 2. Coordinates of B 3 comma minus 6. and coordinate of C 7, 4, correct. Then it is from vertex A, the median is AP. The median is AP. AP is a median. So if AP is a median, then P divides BC equally. P divides BC equally. AP is a median means P is a midpoint of BC. AP is a median. From vertex A, it is given that there is a median AP dividing BC into two equal parts. Now coordinates of P, we have to find coordinates of P. We have to find length of the median AP. Length of median AP. Length of median AP we have to find. To find length of AP, we apply distance formula. But we know the coordinates of A, but we do not know the coordinates of P. But we know that P is a midpoint of BC. So we can apply midpoint formula. So first coordinate x is equal to x1 plus x2. 3 plus 7 divide by 2, 10 divide by 2, that is 5, x is 5. Then y is equal to, y means second coordinate of P. Second coordinate of this plus second coordinate of this, minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 1. So coordinates of P, what we have got? 5, x 5, comma minus 1. 5, comma minus 1. Now we want to find AP. So we apply distance formula. What is distance formula? x2 minus x1 square. x2 is minus 1. Sorry, x2 is 5. 5 minus minus 5 square. x2 minus minus x1. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus 1 minus 2 square. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. What is that formula? x2 minus x1 square whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AP square, AP is root of 5 minus minus 5 will be 5 plus 5, 10 ka square plus minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 ka square. So AP is 10 ka square 100 plus minus 3 ka square 9. AP is 109 unit. 109 unit. Root 109 unit. AP. AP is root 109 unit. Clear? Followed? Okay. Now let us consider parallelogram type of question. So first we study parallelogram. Parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. Parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel. Now we join the diagonal AC and BD. Both the diagonals intersect at point P. Both the diagonals intersect at point P. Now there is a property, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means this diagonal bisect this diagonal bisect this. That means AP is equal to PC, because this diagonal bisect this diagonal. Then this diagonal bisect this diagonal, means PB is equal to PD. So this diagonal bisect this diagonal and this diagonal bisect this diagonal. So PA is equal to PC PA is equal to PC, correct, and PB is equal to PD. This diagonal bisect this diagonal, means PB is equal to PD and PA is equal to PC, because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So this result you have to remember. So whenever you will come across parallelogram, you remember that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Both the diagonals bisect each other, means this diagonal bisect this, so this equal to this, and this diagonal bisect this, that means this much is equal to this much. Now let us solve the problem based on parallelogram. There is a parallelogram PQRS, PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. Coordinates of P is given 4, 2, coordinates of P, this vertex, and coordinates of Q is given -1, 5, -1, 5. Then diagonal QS and diagonal PR, they meet at point M. They meet at point M. Coordinates of M is given -3, 2, -3, 2, coordinate of M, where both the diagonal meet. Correct. Now it is asked find the coordinate of S, this coordinate, and find the coordinates of R, this coordinate. Correct. Followed? Okay. So this coordinate S, I will take XY, and this coordinate R, I will take AB. I will take AB. Correct? Followed? Chalo. Now PQRS is a parallelogram, so diagonal QS will bisect diagonal PR. So PM is equal to MR. Correct? PM is equal to MR. So what do you mean by PM is this much length is equal to this much length? That means M is a midpoint of PR. M is a midpoint of PR. M is a midpoint of PR, na? Because this diagonal bisect this two. So this much length is equal to this much length, means M is a midpoint of PR. So apply midpoint formula. So consider first coordinate of M -3 is equal to 4, first coordinate of both the point, 4 plus A upon 2, 4 plus A upon 2, -3 is equal to 4 plus A upon 2, cross multiply, -6 is equal to 4 plus A, -6 minus 4 is equal to A, so -10 is equal to A value -10. Similarly, I will use second coordinate of both the point, second coordinate of M, that is 2. 2 is equal to, now I will use second coordinate of both the point. 2 is equal to 2 plus B, 2 plus B divided by 2, cross multiply, 4 is equal to 2 plus B, 4 minus 2 is equal to B, so 2 is equal to B, B value is 2. So finally, coordinates of R, what is coordinate of R? Coordinate of R is A comma B, A value -10, B value 2. So we have found the coordinate of R -10, 2. We have found the coordinate of R -10, 2. Correct? Now the same thing, this is -3, 2, M. Correct? -3, 2. Now I will use the second diagonal. What is that? If this diagonal bisect this, then this diagonal bisect this also. Correct? This diagonal bisect this also. So this diagonal bisect this also. So MS is equal to MQ. That means M is the midpoint of QS. M is the midpoint of QS. M is the midpoint of QS. So applies midpoint formula in this. What is first coordinate? Minus 3. So first coordinate of both the point, minus 1 plus x upon 2 cross multiplied, minus 6 is equal to minus 1 plus x, minus 6 plus 1 is x, minus 5 is equal to x, x value minus 5. Similarly, use second coordinate of M, that is 2. So 2 is equal to, use second coordinate of both the point, 5 plus y upon 2. Midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divide by 2, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. So cross multiply, 4 is equal to 5 plus y, 4 minus 5 is equal to y, minus 1 is equal to y. So y value minus 1. So finally coordinate of S, what is S? X comma y, x minus 5, y minus 1. So coordinate of S is minus 5 comma minus 1. In this way we have found coordinates of both the vertices or both the vertex. So what is important result in this? That the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means this diagonal bisect this and this diagonal bisect this. When this diagonal, horizontal diagonal bisect this, means this much is equal to this much, means it is a midpoint for this. When this diagonal bisect this, that means this point is the midpoint of these 2 points. So what is important result? Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let us take another example. Let us take another example, that is centroid of a triangle. Okay, centroid of a triangle. What is centroid? Centroid of a triangle. So there is a triangle ABC. Try to understand this point. A coordinates is x1 y1, B coordinate x2 y2, and C coordinate x3 y3. A, B, C are 3 vertices of a triangle. Then what is median? What is centroid of a triangle? From vertex A, we draw median AP. AP is a median. So P divide BC, this side is equal to this side. Similarly, from each vertex, we draw median to opposite side. BQ is a median. So AQ is equal to QC. From each vertex, we draw median to opposite side. From this vertex, draw median to this side. From this vertex, draw median to this side. From this vertex, we draw a median to opposite side. This is R. So CR is a median, means this side is equal to this side, correct? So what is centroid of a triangle? Centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection of all 3 medians. This median, and this median, all the 3 median intersect each other at point M, at point G. So where point of intersection of all the 3 median is called centroid. Point of intersection of all the 3 median is called centroid. It clear? What is centroid of a triangle? Point of intersection of, from each vertex we draw median to opposite side, and the point of intersection of all the 3 median is called centroid. So G is centroid. You must have studied this in physics also, correct? What is centroid of a triangular lamina? The point of intersection of all the 3 medians in physics. Centroid of triangular lamina. So what is centroid? Point of intersection of all the 3 medians. So how will find the coordinate of G? First coordinate x. So I will consider first coordinate of all the 3 vertex. So that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3. In midpoint we divide by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2. In centroid we divide x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Similarly, to get y coordinate of G, I will consider y coordinate of all the 3 points, add them and divide total by 3. That is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divide by 3. We get coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. Coordinates of centroid of a triangle. Is it clear? Coordinates of centroid of a triangle. Now, based on this centroid of a triangle, there is one question. Based on centroid of a triangle, there is one question. You are given a triangle. You are given a triangle A, B, C. The vertices of the triangle is given. B is minus 6, 5 and C is given 11, 8 and the centroid of the triangle is given. Centroid of the triangle is given. Centroid of a triangle is given P. Centroid of a triangle is given P. What is coordinate of P? 2, minus 5. Coordinates of P is, coordinate of P is 2, minus 5. Centroid of the triangle. So, two vertices are given and centroid is given. It is asked find the coordinates of the remaining vertex of the triangle. So, remaining vertex is A. To find coordinate of this, I will take xy. I will take xy. Now, what is P? P is a centroid. So, consider first coordinate. What is that? 2. Then add first coordinate of both the point x plus minus 6 plus 11, x plus minus 6 plus 11 divide total by 3. Similarly, second coordinate. What is second coordinate? Y. What is second coordinate? Minus 5 now. Minus 5 is equal to, so use second coordinate of all the 3 vertex. Y plus 5 plus 8 divide by 3. So, cross multiply 3 to 6 is equal to x minus 6 plus 11. 6 is equal to x plus 5. So, 6 minus 5 is equal to x is equal to 1. Similarly, cross multiply minus 15 is equal to y plus 13, 5 plus 8, 13. Minus 15 minus 13 is equal to y. Minus 28 is equal to y. So, coordinates of A, x comma y, x is 1, y is minus 28. So, coordinate of A is 1 comma minus 28. So, using centroid of a triangle. Then there is one question, last type of one question, that is circle. That is circle. Correct? You are given a circle. You are given a circle. AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Coordinate of A 3, minus 7. Coordinate of B not given. C is the center. C is center of the triangle. C coordinate is minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. Then B is not given. B is asked. Then it is asked find AC. Find length AC and find coordinate B. So, how will find AC? By distance formula. A and C apply distance formula. Whenever you want to find length between 2 points, always apply distance formula. So, what is that? x2 minus x1 square. What is distance formula? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Correct? Whole square root. So, AC will be root x2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 square plus 5 minus minus 7 12 square. So, what is minus 5 square? 25. 12 square 144, that is root 169 and that is 13. So AC is 13 unit. AC is 13 unit. Whenever it is as the length between 2 points, always apply distance formula. So AC is 13 units. Now it is as find the coordinates of B. So B I will take xy. B I will take xy. Now AB is a diameter and C is a center. C is a center. From center to any point on circumference is called radius. So BC is a radius and CA is a radius. BC is a radius, CA is a radius, and radius of both the circle are equal. Radius of both the circle are equal. So when CA is equal to CB, that means C becomes midpoint. C becomes midpoint of AB. So apply midpoint formula. What is first coordinate? -2. -2. So first coordinate of both the point 3 plus x by 2. Then second coordinate of C 5 is equal to second coordinate -7 plus y upon 2. Solve. -4 is equal to 3 plus x. -4 minus 3 is x. X is -7. Then cross multiply 2 5s are 10 is equal to -7 plus y. 10 plus 7 is equal to y. Y is equal to 17. So coordinate of B x minus 7 comma 17. So in this way we find the coordinates of the point. So in this section and midpoint formula I have covered all the type of problem, their explanation and how to solve the problem that I have explained. So next time we will see equation of lines.